from our window. It's covered. Can't see the car anymore. What's up, sunshine? What's up, sunshine? This is Adelaine, your new
Hi,
vlogger.
sunshine.
Good morning, sunshine. I'm gonna show you our weather here in Toronto this morning, and this is how it looks like. Here we go. This is our porch. Look at that. This is our bench. And that's our car right there that you can't see. And look, not really gonna go. And because the stove is 2 feet off the ground, can't see that much. That. Look at that, you can't see your car.
The car is gone.
I almost drowned. Just turn on our lights, and this is by our kitchen window, and look at that table. It's 2 feet of snow. It's insane. Our tree, it looks beautiful from the inside, but just don't go out. Still coming down and still falling. That's crazy. It's like 2 feet of snow. As tall as my son. Yes, as tall as my son. This is how my mom's gonna go to work with her snowshoes. Okay? Gonna put on your coat first, mommy. Oh my gosh. My mom really wanted to go to work. Look at her.
So dedicated.
She's so dedicated. Let's see after a few minutes if she's gonna come back.
Let's see if she's gonna come back.
Come back home. Look at her. Oh. Still going to work? Call your boss. Stay home. Look at you. You're almost drowning.
2 seconds later.
You did.
So, what happened? Are you still going to work? Nope.
So I think it works when the snow is already firm.
Yeah.
That's the weather here in Toronto. So, don't go outside. Stay safe and stay warm, guys. Stay inside your house. Okay? I'm going back. Bye. Stay safe. Spread love and God bless.